Smitty pancake is delicious. All right, guys, in health news, heart disease, of course, the #1 cause of death for both men and women. And Maria shows us how Summerlin Hospital is helping their patients keep their hearts healthy.
At Summerlin Hospital, they have a passion for hearts.
A normal artery is the first one.
Interventional cardiologist Dr. Jeffrey Levisman explains why it's so important to recognize the signs and symptoms of a heart attack.
Now, the chest pain could radiate. It can go up to the neck or to the jaw. It could go to the left arm. Sometimes people have only stomach pain, which they can mistake and not actually be chest pain. Shortness of breath is a very common symptom. I think the important thing is that most people actually present with chest pain, whether they're men or women. But every once in a while we see people coming in with only shortness of breath. They're breaking out in a cold sweat for no reason. And those are the symptoms that are a little bit tougher to discern and are definitely scarier, just to know that it can present in different ways.
When it comes to your heart, time is of the essence, which is why it's so important to call 911 immediately.
Time is muscle, so the longer you wait, the more damage you have to your heart muscle.
Once you arrive at Summerlin Hospital, the doctors and medical staff are ready to care for you and your heart.
It's important to discuss with the patient, with the cardiac surgeon and the cardiologist to determine what the best form of restoring flow permanently is, and that includes cardiac surgery, bypass surgery, or placing stents to maintain the artery.
Following surgery, patients have to go through 12 weeks of rehabilitation. Here at Summerlin Hospital, they have their own cardiac rehab unit on property.
In cardiac rehab, we emphasize exercise because exercise affects every major modifiable risk factor for heart disease, such as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes. We also emphasize education to give patients the information they need to better manage their disease on their own.
Rick Savage is a proud cardiac rehab graduate.
12 weeks does seem like a long period of time, and 3 times a week, how do you fit that into your schedule? Cardiac rehab changed my life. Open heart surgery was life-changing, but the rehab elements, the education, the staff's encouragement, that changed my life.
Now Rick's heart is beating healthy, and he's marching to the beat of his own drum, literally. And all thanks to the attention and care he received at Summerlin Hospital.
The lifestyle evaluation itself was very critical because it demonstrated to me that I could reconnect with something that I enjoyed doing before surgery as well now after surgery. So I returned to that enjoyment of playing my drums again, and I use that as a stress reliever. I'm very blessed to have been touched by them.
Well, for more information on Summerlin Hospital's cardiac rehabilitation, just give them a call at 702-233-7470 or visit summerlinhospital.com.